The English don't like saying yes and no, and prefer to use lots of different words rather than saying these two words specifically. Do you want to know why? Well, I'll tell you later on in this video. So here are 12 informal alternative ways to say yes and no in English and how to use them in conversation with two unusual bonus phrases at the end. Yeah. Yep. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Sure. Okay. Nah. Nope. Mm-mm. Uh-uh. No way. Not a chance. Number 1. Informal way to say yes. Yeah. Will you go to the concert with me tomorrow? Yeah, that sounds great. Number 2. Informal way to say yes. Yep. Are those sunglasses new? Yep, I got them yesterday. Number 3. Informal way to say yes. Mm-hmm. Are you going to school tomorrow? Mm-hmm. Number 4. Informal way to say yes. Uh-huh. Did you finish your work? Uh-huh. Number 5. Informal way to say yes. Sure. Can you help me? Sure. Informal way to say yes. Okay. I need this work finished by tomorrow. Okay. It'll be done. Number 7. Informal way to say no. Nah. Are you going to the party? Nah. Number 8. Informal way to say no. Nope. Are you staying late today? Nope. Staying late meaning staying longer than you have to after work. Number 9. Informal way to say no. Mm-mm. I'm going to the shops. Do you want to come? Mm-mm. Number 10. Informal way to say no. Uh-uh. Do you want some cake? Uh-uh. I'm on a diet. Diet. Eating healthy food to lose weight. Number 11. Informal way to say no. No way. Are you studying tonight? No way. Number 12. Informal way to say no. Not a chance. Did you get a high score in your test? Not a chance. Bonus phrase. Number 13. Informal way to say no. You must be kidding. You look so young. You're 18, right? You must be kidding. Bonus phrase. Number 14. Informal way to say yes. Oh, thanks. Did you want the last chocolate? Oh, thanks. As you can see, the English prefer to say yes and no in lots of different ways, rather than saying these two words specifically. Do you want to know why? Well, I'll tell you. The words yes and no are perceived as very strong words. If you say yes or no, you have to mean yes or no. These words are absolute. This is because in the English language, these two words are the strongest two words linked to childhood, and it is the adult-child relationships where these words are mainly used. A child may be asked to obey by saying yes, or not allowed to do something if an adult says no. For this reason, these words are predominantly used with subordinates or children. Where relationships are more equal or balanced, These words can be perceived as rude or condescending when given as an answer. Therefore, simple, common alternative phrases for yes and no are used instead, to sound more friendly and casual. Also, by saying no all the time, you may be perceived as being difficult to communicate with, depending on who you're talking to. In the same way, if you say yes all the time, you may be perceived as a very nice person, but also weak, childish, or foolish. So to avoid sounding rude or saying no all the time, or weak by saying yes all the time, there are many other ways to say yes and no to make you sound more friendly but casual. You must also remember, yes and no are very short words, and if you say them too quickly with the wrong stress or intonation, they can sound like you're irritated, impatient, or rude. So longer alternatives are usually better. For example, yes, no, yes, no. Also, if you say yes in English, this is perceived as a promise, a definite agreement. Therefore, if you say yes too many times and change your mind often, you risk being seen as untrustworthy. The same applies if you use alternative ways to say yes too. Similarly, if you say no all the time, you are saying absolutely not, and again risk being seen as difficult and unfriendly. In these cases, it is better to use the word maybe, if you do not want to give a definitive answer. Maybe means yes and no, or I don't know, but we will discuss this more in another video. Therefore, if you would like to sound more like a native in informal conversations, add variety to what you say by using these simple common alternative phrases for yes and no. There are many more than these, but these are the most common. These quick ways will also improve your fluency. So when speaking in adult conversations, practice these yes and no alternatives regularly to develop your pronunciation, and you will soon sound like a friendly native English speaker in no time. I hope this video has helped and you enjoy practicing. See you on the next video.